In this tutorial, I will share with you 8 things that great leaders do. These 8 things can help you become a better leader and develop your leadership skills. They always communicate. Great leaders frequently communicate with their entourage in a variety of ways. Leaders are influential through their communication, whether it's during a conversation, in a team meeting, by email, by phone, or on video conferences. They know how to motivate their employees with the words they utilize during interactions. Find ways to improve your communication skills with others. It could be by taking classes on communication skills or reading on the subject. They motivate others. Great leaders can engage others in a common vision while recognizing how everyone can contribute to that vision. They understand that everyone wants to contribute to the greater good, and they help others believe in what they do, which will have a strong and positive impact. How can you be inspiring to others? What vision do you have in common with others around you? And how can you help others reach their goal? They foster strong relationships. Great leaders are built on a solid foundation of trust and valued relationships. Without these 2 things, it is challenging to become a leader. Leaders who foster community and strong relationships are more powerful because they become their community. How can you improve your work and friendship relationships? What could you do differently to build more trust with others? They are honest. Great leaders are honest and transparent. Typically, they do what they say, and they say what they do. They know what their vision is and usually have a great understanding of how their actions and speech related to what they want to accomplish. This honesty and integrity make them more trustworthy, and people know that what they see is what you get from that leader. What aspects of your life would benefit from being more honest or transparent? How can you be in more integrity with yourself? They look for solutions. In large corporations, great leaders are hired to solve big problems and find opportunities to improve. This requires excellent analytical skills and also above-average technical skills and an outstanding ability to solve very complex issues. When you find yourself faced with a problem, instead of feeling defeated about it, do a brainstorm with someone else. That will help you develop your problem-solving skills. They delegate. Great leaders have a high level of perseverance and give confidence to those around them. All employees can count on them to be given responsibility and the opportunity to make things happen. Great leaders are not afraid to delegate tasks because they know that the expression divide and conquer is how teams can reach their goals by dividing the work. How can you assign more in your work or at home? Do you trust others to do the job? If not, how can you improve that trust? They know their skills. Great leaders know what they are good at and are not afraid to show and use their skills for the greater good of their community. They are also very open to grow and learn to master new skills. What are the skills that you have? How do you use them for the greater good? They help develop others. Not only are great leaders great at what they do, but they also like to see others display some greatness. Great leaders are often seen helping others learning new skills, whether by teaching them or supporting others in their learning. How can you better help others learn new skills?